Hi Chetna, how are you?
Hello Bhaiya, I'm fine.
What are you drawing on this paper?
This one? Actually, I'm working on my school project. I have got a very good topic to work on. I have to make my project on female infanticide.
That's very interesting. You are doing a good work. But if you make a PowerPoint presentation on this, it would be more eye-catching and presentable.
PowerPoint presentation? What is that?
It is a presentation made by using PowerPoint. In a PowerPoint presentation, you can write text and insert pictures, animation and sound too, to make your presentation more effective and interesting. Let's learn about PowerPoint. After completing this module, you will be able to explain the benefits and features of PowerPoint. Create a PowerPoint presentation. Use PowerPoint to prepare slides. Use PowerPoint to present slides. PowerPoint is a presentation software or program and is a part of the Microsoft Office package. PowerPoint is used to create on-screen presentations. Let's take a look at this. This is a PowerPoint presentation. It has text, pictures, sound, and animation. Using presentation, we can present information or data to our audience in a more interesting and eye-catching way. PowerPoint offers galleries of images and sound that we can use in our presentations to make them more effective. We can animate elements in a slide to appear them in a desired sequence. Also, we can add special effects to the slides appearing on the screen and rehearse the timings of each slide. PowerPoint also offers various design elements like auto layout and presentation templates that we can use to make some interesting presentations. We can also generate speakers' notes and audience handouts from our presentations. Various components of PowerPoint help us organize the presentation content with outlines. Before we start using PowerPoint, let's run or start PowerPoint and know about its window and elements. To run PowerPoint, click on the Start button. Point the mouse to All Programs. Click on Microsoft Office. Click Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2007. A new presentation is created with default name as Presentation 1. A presentation window has various parts common to other Microsoft Office applications, such as MS Word and MS Excel, with some tabs such as Animation and Slideshow specific to PowerPoint. As you can see, the area below the ribbon or the presentation area is divided into 3 sections. This is the default and normal view of the presentation. The panel to the left displays list of slides in 2 ways, as slides and outline. The panel at the bottom has a text area, where you can write text to be added as notes to the slide. Once you have created a presentation, you need to save it with appropriate name for later use. To save a presentation, click on the Office button and select Save. Save As dialog box appears. Choose the location and folder in which you want to save the document. Double-click the folder to open it. Write the desired file name for the document in the File Name combo box. Select the type of presentation from the Save As Type drop-down menu. By default, it is set as PowerPoint Presentation. Click Save to save the presentation and close the Save As dialog box. Read the question and answer. Click on the right option and click Done to complete answering the question. PowerPoint helps you create a presentation using predefined template or a blank presentation that contains no color or styles. To create a presentation using a template, click on the Office button. Select the New option. The New Presentation dialog box appears. This dialog box is divided into 3 sections. The leftmost section lists various types of templates. The middle section lists and displays all the available templates of the selected type, and the third and the rightmost section provides preview of the selected template. Select a template from the New Presentation dialog box. The Blank and Recent option in the Template section creates a new blank presentation that does not contain any color or style. The Install Templates option helps you choose a template from the pre-built templates of PowerPoint. Choosing a template from this option saves time and effort of creating layouts for your presentation. A template provides layout and placeholders for arranging text, images, or other objects in a new presentation. The Create button at the bottom right corner of the dialog box is replaced with a Download button if you select any template type from Microsoft Office Online category. Click Create or Download to create a presentation based on the selected template. Read the question and answer. Click on the right option and click Done to complete answering the question. A PowerPoint presentation contains many slides. A slide in PowerPoint is like a page in Word document or a worksheet in an Excel document. It is the slide that contains text, images, and other objects. A slide consists of a documentation area that is normally divided into title and subtitle parts. Both these parts contain placeholders. A faint dotted line appears around each placeholder. Click anywhere within a placeholder to select it. When you type a text in a placeholder, it replaces the sample text in the placeholder with your text. Also, the faint dotted line around the placeholder disappears. When you finish entering text in a placeholder, click on a blank area of the slide to exit from the placeholder or the text object. If you want to add other text box in the slide, click on the Insert tab and select Text Box option from the text group. Now, click on the place on the slide where you want to insert the text box. A text box with insertion point is displayed. When you type text in the text box, the text is resized according to the text entered in it. Use the Enter key to type text in next line. Once you have entered text, you can make changes to it anytime. To make changes to text, click on the text area or the text box. An insertion point is displayed that indicates that you can edit the text now. Select the text to perform various editing operations such as copy, cut, paste, format, and align using editing and formatting options available under the Home tab of the ribbon. After you complete your presentation, you can add or insert and delete slides in your presentation as per your requirement. To add a new slide, click on the Home tab. Click New Slide in the Slides group. A new slide is added after the existing slide in your presentation. If you want to add or insert a new slide with different layout, click on the drop-down arrow of the New Slide option. Various Office themes are listed. Select a layout to add or insert a new slide with the selected layout. You can also delete a slide from your presentation. To delete a slide, select the slide to be deleted. Click Delete in the Slides group of the Home tab. You can also press the Delete key to delete the selected slide. In a presentation, you may also require to insert pictures, Clipart images, word table, and other objects. PowerPoint offers you to insert these objects in your presentation to make your presentation more interesting to the viewers. To insert a picture, select the slide in which you want to insert a picture. Click on the Insert tab. Click Picture in the Illustrations group. The Insert Picture dialog box appears. Browse through the folder that contains pictures to be inserted. Select the picture. Click the Insert drop-down menu. Select the Insert option. The selected picture is inserted into the slide. Clipart images or drawings are used to enhance a slideshow. Clipart is collection of graphics files. PowerPoint has a library of Clipart. Using Clipart in your presentation can help you present a point in its visual form, add humor or make the presentation visually more interesting to the viewers. To add or insert Clipart pictures, select the slide in which you want to insert a Clipart picture. Click on the Insert tab. Click Clipart in the Illustrations group. The Clipart search dialog box appears. Type a keyword of the Clipart in the Search for text box. You can filter your search by using the options in Search In, and results should be list box. Click on the Go button next to the Search for text box. Select a Clipart from the search results. The selected Clipart picture is inserted into the slide. You can also use a table in your presentation. Using a table of data can convey useful information on a slide. To insert a table, select the slide in which you want to insert a table. Click on the Insert tab. Click the Table drop-down menu. Select the Insert Table option. The Insert Table dialog box appears. Select the number of columns and rows. Click OK to insert the table with selected number of columns and rows. Add text to the table as you desire. Click on any blank area outside the table or an empty area in the slide to deselect the table. PowerPoint also offers you to insert other objects into your presentation. These objects can be bitmap image, graphs or charts, and any other documents such as Word documents and Excel worksheets. To insert an object, select the slide in which you want to insert an object. Click on the Insert tab. Click the Object option. The Insert Object dialog box appears. Select the Create New or Create from File radio button. The Create New option helps you insert a new object, such as a new worksheet or new document into the slide. The Create from File option allows you to browse through and insert an existing document or file into the slide. Click OK. When you create a new worksheet that is embedded as an object in your slide, you can observe that all of the Excel controls and options are now displayed in the ribbon. You can use these options to enter and edit data directly into this new worksheet. When you insert an object, be it picture, document or table, you need to resize and scale it to best fit in the slide. When you click on the object, the resize handles appear at the corners of the object. These handles enable you to resize the object in 2 dimensions. When you click on any of the resize handles, you can change the height or width of the object by dragging the handle. You can also scale an object. Scaling helps you to specify an object size by percentage. You can also use the Format or Design option that is available when you select the object to modify the size and style of the object. Read the question and answer. Click on the right option and click Done to complete answering the question. Let's see how to insert a slide, insert a Clipart picture, add sound, and insert an existing Word document into the slide. To insert a slide, select the slide after which you want to insert the slide. Click on the Home tab. Click on the New Slide option. A new slide is inserted after the selected slide. To insert a Clipart picture, select the slide in which you want to insert Clipart picture. Click on the Insert tab. Click the Clipart option. Type the picture name or the keyword in the Search for text box. Click on the Go button. Select the picture of tiger displayed as the search result. The selected clip art is inserted into the slide. To add sound to the slide, click on the Insert tab. Click on the Sound drop-down menu. Select Sound from Clip Organizer. Select a type of sound clip from the displayed list. The Microsoft Office PowerPoint dialog box appears. Click on the Automatically button. The selected sound clip is inserted. The sound clip is played when the slideshow is launched. To insert an existing Word document into the slide, click on the Insert tab. Click on the Object option. Click on the Create from File radio button. Click on the Browse button. Browse through the folder and select the document. Click OK to close the Browse dialog box. Click OK on the Insert Object dialog box. The selected document is inserted into the slide. To summarize, let's see the steps below to insert a slide, insert a clip art picture, add sound, and insert an existing Word document into the slide. Step 1. Select the slide. Step 2. Click on the Home tab. Step 3. Click on the New Slide option. Step 4. Click on the Insert tab. Step 5. Click the Clip Art option. Step 6. Type the picture name or the keyword in the Search for text box. Step 7. Click on the Go button. Step 8. Select the picture. Step 9. Click on the Insert tab. Step 10. Click on the Sound drop-down menu. Step 11. Select Sound from Clip Organizer. Step 12. Select a type of sound clip from the displayed list. Step 13. Click on the Automatically button. Step 14. Click on the Insert tab. Step 15. Click on the Object option. Step 16. Click on the Create from File radio button. Step 17. Click on the Browse button. Step 18. Browse through the folder and select the document. Step 19. Click OK to close the Browse dialog box. Step 20. Click OK on the Insert Object dialog box. Let's summarize what we have discussed in this topic. PowerPoint is a presentation software or program and is a part of the Microsoft Office package. Using presentation, we can present information or data to our audience in a more interesting and eye-catching way. A PowerPoint presentation contains many slides. A slide in PowerPoint is like a page in a Word document or a worksheet in an Excel workbook. PowerPoint offers you to insert pictures, clip art images, word table, and other objects in your presentation to make your presentation more interesting to the viewers. PowerPoint also offers you to insert other objects into your presentation. These objects can be bitmap image, graphs or charts, and any other documents such as Word documents and Excel worksheets.